Hello, this is Sheshachalam from Astro Guide Mysore. So, continuing the discussion on malefic combinations. So, I am just elaborating more on the combination of Saturn plus Rahu, that is, Saturn and Rahu together in the same Rashi or in the same house. The difference between in the same Rashi or in the same house is when Saturn and Rahu both are in the same particular Rashi like Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and close by, or in the same house is Saturn might be in 28 posited at 28 degrees in Pisces, and Rahu might be at 2 degrees in Aries. But when we see the Bhava Kundali, Saturn and Rahu are very close by because they are only in the with a difference of only 4 degrees between each other, and they are both posited in the same house. If it is in the same house, depending on the longitudinal displacement from the Lagna. Okay, just an example of the combination of Saturn and Rahu. So here, if this particular combination is posited in the second house, then the Kutumbasthana, which is the second house, the Kutumbasthana, Dhanasthana, that is house of wealth, and it's also the house of which represents the eyes, the eyesight, and Vaksthana also. It's the first Vaksthana, that is the house of voice, not the house of speech. The house of speech is the third house, the house of communication. So the house of voice, that is the Vak, that is the second house. So when Rahu and Saturn are posited in the second house, and if that particular combination is not a great benefic combination, like it is not posited in Aquarius or it is not posited in Makara, that is the Capricorn, because those two houses are the own houses of Saturn, then there is a chance that the person will go through a tough family life, that is the tough early life, might go through you know uh, tough financial time, because see, overall the financial time, the wealth is indicated by the second house, that is correct. And overall, because of the position of Saturn Rahu in the second house, the overall life of the person also will have an influence of Saturn and Rahu on a continuous level. But when the native goes through Saturn Dasha Rahu Bhukti or Rahu Dasha Saturn Bhukti, there is a chance that the person might go through very tough time with regard to financial dealings, that the money given might get stuck, the stock taken, that is for business people, there might be a capital investment which might become stagnant, the capital might not start rolling, that the bills payable may not happen, that's there might be pending payments from the government or any other sector. So this particular time will squeeze and test the person's capability of sustaining himself in that particular business, profession, or in even in the family. Kutumbasthana, that is what very important, because Saturn and Rahu in the Kutumbasthana might make the person, you know, leave the family and stay in hostel, stay abroad, stay away from the birthplace. And Saturn and Rahu both are somewhat Mlecha Grahas. Rahu is the Mlecha Graha, that is the other Graha, that is eating outside, eating junk, eating food prepared by others who are nowhere related to you. That is what is hotels, eating in hotels nowadays. So when Saturn and Rahu is in the second house, people tend to have the taste towards more that of the junk food nowadays, what you call as having a high pungent and high order, or you have the aroma of that is in a different level because of oils and a different type of food. You there is nothing required to explain junk food. Junk food is junk food. So Saturn Rahu in the second house represents junk food, until and unless you should understand there is a strong benefic Jupiter which is aspecting the Lagna or posited in the Lagna itself, or the Lagnadipati is posited with Jupiter. So there is a chance that the person might like putrefied foods like the alcohol, putrefied foods like you know, all these colas. So the drinking habit or the smoking habit, because Rahu is Dhuma, might increase and be a difficult, pose difficulty in health to the person because of its position in the second house. The second house is a very important house because it has too many significations, and the most important signification is Anna, that is food, that is the intake, what we eat. So if Saturn and Rahu are in the second house, we need to mentor, train, and practice strict food habits which would be more sattvic in nature, because the food habit would be the most important reason or a factor in which will decide the health of the native. Thank you.